I'm going to demonstrate standard deviation in a different way. I'm going to use an elastic band with some markings on it. So these markings here represent data points or scores. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch the rubber band. I'm going to try and stretch it equally on both sides. This mark here, so the one basically in the middle, or the I'll just point to it there, that one there. Let's assume, or at least imagine that to be a kind of an average or a mean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch the rubber band. Try and stretch it equally on both sides. And notice what you see is that the scores on the extremes stretch out further than the ones in the middle. But the point in the middle stays pretty much fixed in place. Okay, so I might just do that one more time. I'll try and stretch it equally. Yep. So as I stretch the rubber band, what's happening is that the standard deviation is getting bigger. The marks on the either side of the mark in the middle, okay, the one that I pointed to earlier, are moving further away from it. So what the standard deviation measures, it measures basically on average how far all the scores are away from the mean or the average of those scores. So again, just one more time and then we're done. Yep, you can see that. Try and stretch it a little bit more. Okay, probably going to break the rubber band soon. Okay. But you can see that the further away a score is, the more it gets stretched, and the further it moves as it gets stretched as well, in proportion to how far it is from the mean.